Hello, if you want to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then first of all we need to open the settings, and then in the settings you want to find and go to wallpaper and style. Now over here we can choose change wallpapers, and we will find some featured wallpapers. These are some default wallpapers that we can use. We can also open the gallery and choose a photo that we have stored on our device and use it as a wallpaper. And we have some more examples over here, as well as at the bottom, the button that says get more wallpapers in order to download more of them from the Samsung store or Galaxy store. So I'm gonna choose, let's say, this wallpaper as an example. So if I tap it, I can now choose if I want to apply it for the lock screen or home screen or both. So if you don't want to use it, for instance, in the lock screen, then you can tap over here on this check in order to uncheck it. And then proceed by pressing next. Now over here we have the lock screen, how it looks like, and we can press done in the top right corner in order to apply the wallpaper. And there we go, change is applied, and as you can see now we have a new wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.